Senior's Guide to Stress Relief, Discovering Tranquility Through Meditation, Deep Breathing, and Herbs. Stress can have a significant impact on the physical and mental well-being of seniors. To promote relaxation and improve overall quality of life, it is important for seniors to incorporate stress reduction techniques into their daily routine. This guide will explore 3 effective stress reduction techniques for seniors: meditation, deep breathing, and the use of herbs. By incorporating these techniques, seniors can cultivate a sense of calm and inner peace. Meditation. Meditation is a practice that involves focusing the mind and achieving a state of deep relaxation. It has numerous benefits for seniors, including stress reduction, improved emotional well-being, and increased mental clarity. Here's how seniors can get started with meditation. Find a quiet and comfortable space to meditate. Sit in a relaxed position, either on a cushion or in a chair, with the spine straight. Close your eyes and focus on your breath or a specific point of concentration. Allow thoughts to come and go without judgment, gently bringing your attention back to your breath or chosen focal point. Start with short meditation sessions, gradually increasing the duration as you become more comfortable. Deep breathing. Deep breathing exercises are simple yet powerful techniques that can quickly reduce stress and promote relaxation. Seniors can practice deep breathing anywhere and at any time. Here's a simple deep breathing exercise to try. Find a comfortable seated position or lie down on your back. Close your eyes and place one hand on your abdomen. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your abdomen rise as you fill your lungs with air. Exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your abdomen lower as you release the breath. Continue this deep breathing pattern, focusing on the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. Using herbs. Certain herbs have calming properties that can help seniors reduce stress and promote relaxation. Here are a few herbs commonly used for stress reduction. Chamomile. Known for its soothing properties, chamomile can be consumed as a tea or taken in supplement form to promote relaxation and better sleep. Lavender. The scent of lavender has a calming effect and can be used in essential oil form, either through a diffuser or by adding a few drops to a warm bath. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is a herb with mild sedative properties that can help reduce anxiety and promote a sense of calm. It is available as a tea or in supplement form. Valerian. Valerian root is commonly used to support relaxation and improve sleep quality. It can be consumed as a tea or taken in capsule or tincture form. When incorporating herbs into a wellness routine, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure they are safe and appropriate for your specific health needs. By regularly practicing meditation, deep breathing, and incorporating herbs with calming properties into their routine, seniors can effectively manage stress and cultivate a greater sense of well-being. These techniques can be adapted to individual preferences and can become valuable tools for promoting relaxation and reducing stress in daily life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts. It really helps me to improve and create more content you'll enjoy. And if you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.